Hello children, how are you? Today in this class, we are going to learn double letter words. O sound. Okay children, O sound words. Words with O sounds, sometimes in short and sometimes sounds in long. Okay, let's see some words which sounds in short. Okay. F-O-O-T, foot. B-O-O-K, book. M-O-O-N, moon. H-O-O-K, hook. R-O-O-F, roof. Okay. These are the words with O in short. Okay, let's read the words. F-O-O-T, foot. B-O-O-K, book. M-O-O-N, moon. H-O-O-K, hook. R-O-O-F, roof. So children, in this O sounds in short. Okay. Now let's see some other words which sounds in long. Okay. B-R-O-O-M, broom. S-T-O-O-L, stool. S-P-O-O-N, spoon. Okay. Next. S-C-H-O-O-L, school. Right? Next. G-O-O-S-E, goose. T-O-O-L, tool. Okay children? These are the words of O sounds in long. Let's read once again. B-R-O-O-M, broom. S-T-O-O-L, stool. S-P-O-O-N, spoon. S-C-H-O-O-L, school. G-O-O-S-E, goose. T-O-O-L, tool. Okay children, the words sometimes sounds in short and sometimes sounds in long. Okay, did you understand children? Thank you.